How to match an unmatched MyLogin account. If you see this error when trying to sign into a student account, it's because MyLogin hasn't linked its details to the Google account. Let's solve this. You can perform this fix on any device as long as you have access to the Wonde admin console. Log into Wonde and navigate to My Apps at the top. Launch MyLogin. Now click Matching on the left. This is where you can match the Google accounts to MyLogin. To view unmatched accounts, you can either click Unmatched at the top left or modify the filter. You can also search for a specific username. In the filter, click Type Student, then go to Match State and click Unmatched with Google. Finally, click Apply. You will then be able to see all unmatched students. To match a following student, click the arrow below their name or the three dots and click Accept Suggested Match. And that's how you match an unmatched MyLogin account.